If we try to believe in anything greater than a miracle, it wouldn't be this difficult. If we try to be a negative bull, yeah, we could be taking
Hi.
control.
First let's split the fragment. Then we split a fragment for the first mask.
It wouldn't be this difficult.
Duplicate the split fragment.
A negative bull,
Select the pen tool and start cutting the mask.
negative bull, yeah, we could be taking control. A negative bull, yeah, we could be taking control. A negative bull, yeah, we could be taking control.
Alright, we are done.
Be taking control.
Creating a solid layer. Rename the layer. Trim the layer. Moving the solid layer under the fragment with the mask. Looking for the grid effect.
If we
In the size from parameter select width and height sliders.
had a miracle, it wouldn't be this difficult.
In width and height parameter set the value to 26.
Yeah, we could be taking
In the border parameter, set the value to 1.5.
anything greater than a miracle. It wouldn't be this difficult.
If you don't see the trackpad window, just click on the toggle switches or modes button. Then select alpha matte for the solid layer.
We could be taking control.
It works.
We could be taking
In my case I need to do it for all layers with the mask.
control.
Next I just disable the fragments with the mask. If you wish, you can make a precompose of our first mask. Don't forget to add color correction. I'm glad you watched this tutorial to the end. Leave a comment. It really motivates me to make videos more often. Good day to you.